What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have an unboxing and opening of this. This is the Nebula by Anker. It's called the Apollo pocket projector. So Anker has a couple other ones of these, and I've done a video before on the Nebula capsule. This is Nebula Apollo, so they all have different names. This is a more upgraded version of the capsule. I don't know exactly size and things like that. We'll kind of check it out and look, but there is a capsule 2 that has very similar specs as this, but it has better resolution. This resolution is only 854 by 480. It's about twice as bright as the Nebula capsule, so I thought this would be cool to look at because I thought the last one was really cool. It was about the size of a soda can. Android 7.1 is built into this, so you can stream right from the projector itself. You just log in, use the Android version that's in here, and you just stream. You don't need to connect anything to it. As long as it's charged, you just have this. It's really cool. So we'll take a look. So you can see on the side here, 7.1 runs streaming and media apps smoothly. On the back here, it just has some of the stats that you'll see on the link also that I'll link below for Amazon where I picked this up. Just a photo on this side, and not a whole lot else. So there's an app to connect. You can see they have an app on the App Store and Google Play. So we'll go ahead and open this. I always like their packaging for these kind of things, and the last time I remember I really liked it too. So we'll go ahead and cut this. So this was $3.99 on Amazon with a $50 coupon off. So I think it was like $3.50 plus tax. There's a coupon right now as of posting this video. It has one of those magnetic flaps. So you just grab that, flip it open. Packaging is very similar to the capsule that I did. There is some booklets and information in here as well as the remote, and it just kind of slides out of the bottom. Don't need to go through all that. Just has a nice little remote in there, pretty substantial this time. And yeah, there's the projector. We'll move that to the side for just a second. And then on the bottom, everything is lined in foam. Very nice packaging. I like their packaging presentation. Very cool. At the bottom here we have a huge power supply. So this, it has its own proprietary, like a plug, not all the way proprietary, you know, it's just one of those standard size plugs, but it's not like a micro USB or USB-C. Has a flip out prong for the plug in, and the size on the power supply is, looks like 100 to 240 volts, 60 hertz. Yeah, it's pretty substantial. I'll put that up if anybody wants to pause and read those. Pretty substantial supply. It says it'll last 4 hours. Don't know how accurate that is, but I'll kind of mess with it and let you guys know when I do the little mini review of it. Here is the projector. So just like last time, for the capsule, super clean, really nice looking. You have your lens and everything that comes out here. The full around surrounding area is a speaker. This whole thing is metal. The top is like a clear plastic that looks glass. We have some inputs down here. You have a full HDMI, you have DC in for the charger, you have a USB plug there, so you can plug things like a Chromecast or something into there. Or sorry, not a Chromecast. A Chromecast will use HDMI. You can plug something like a thumb drive or something into there. IR blaster on the back, it looks like probably to receive the remote control. And then on the top, it has touch controls. So there's a volume up and down. Tap to confirm. This whole thing looks sort of like a touchpad switch, home and back. So when that turns on, it's really cool. It's like a see-through plastic that you can see the internals in. The whole package of it looks really nice, looks really cool. And there's a little focus scroll wheel here, and this covers the lens. Let's go ahead and turn it on just to see. So you probably hold this, see how loud it is compared to the last one. There it goes. So you can see it already showing. Let me check to see if that's a focus knob. Yep. So you can see it goes in and out of focus as I roll it on the side here. Really cool. I love these little projectors, especially the ones that are all in one package. If you have this charged all the way up, you just grab this. That's all you take with you. You can take it in any room. You can put it wherever you want and not have to worry about a bunch of cords, and it's all built in. So as long as you're connected to a network, you can just stream what you want directly from it. So you can see it's doing like a language setup. At the bottom, it has a big rubber foot. This whole thing is rubber. And there is a screw-in spot right there for a tripod, so you can put it up on something to get a little bit higher up. So far, obviously I'm not really running anything right now, but it is on. The fan is very quiet. I'll try to see if that picks up at all, but very, very quiet. It looks brighter than the last one, which it says that it should be. It says, like I told you, the capsule is 100 ANSI, and this one is 200, so it's twice the amount. The only one that goes up from there is 300. It's the Nebula Mars 2. That one's quite a bit more substantial. It has a giant handle on it, and that one's quite a bit more expensive too. Those touch controls here, I'm curious. Yep. So this thing, it's just that's really cool. So the whole top is like a touch pad that you can move around on the interface on. So yeah, pretty cool little device. I'll be doing a follow-up video to actually go through the menu and show you how to stream on it and stuff and give you my opinions of it. These kind of things are perfect for when you have kids or like a room that you can just take it to that you don't have a TV in. Put it out in the garage, do it at night, something like that. But yeah, it's very, very well built, and I'm excited to try it out. So if you guys have any questions, like always, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, I will talk to you next time. Later.